In this episode, I'll be installing an original Honda center console compartment. Let's get to work. The center console needs to be dismantled and the screws stored in a safe place. The gear shift knob can be undone and the boot panel removed. The current arrangement is two single-DIN compartments with a VTEC control system installed and placed in by the previous owner. In order to remove the compartment, the VTEC control needs to be unplugged and the screws removed. The panel from bottom of the dash from the passenger and driver side needs to be removed. The whole center console and armrest must be removed in order for the compartments to go in. During the installation process, I've realized that the cables of the aftermarket radio are in the way and the climate control and radio will need to be removed for this. Unlike other cars from the 90s, in here the gauge cluster cover must be removed to get to the radio. All the cables are undone and can be moved out of the way. And the center compartment can finally be installed. Off camera, I swapped the places of the radio and climate control as the cables did not allow the correct fitment of the compartment. Gauge cluster cover and my aux port for the phone holder can be reconnected. Now the armrest can go back in its place. The bottom part of the dash can go back in, but before I install the driver's side, the VTEC control system needs to be relocated and cables tucked in. The remaining screws can be screwed in, and the cover for the shifter boot and knob placed back in. And here's the final result. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.